All right, hello, welcome to Marimar'S Spanish Table.
Yes, that's right.
Hello, hello. We've just started harvest. It's crazy.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is just unprecedented.
Yes,
How
yes.
late harvest is this year.
Yeah, unprecedented.
We started last Thursday. It was like September 28th or something.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
Totally
We started,
crazy.
and the only thing we've done is the
sparkling,
sparkling,
rosé,
and that's
and
it.
a little, yeah.
No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, yeah, she's right. But
Anyways, here we
okay.
are. We've got a fun little recipe for you. This one's different.
Yeah.
What are we brewing today,
We're
Mom?
brewing a queimada,
Ooh.
which is the Galician witch's brew.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, sounds good. Sounds like a fun fun party drink or like cozy night in drink.
Yeah. And we're gonna make it from the very beginning.
Okay, let's
so
get started.
Here some. It's okay. Some sugar and some water. And then
We're gonna caramelize the sugar.
Yeah, that's correct. Ooh,
All right.
Always is the right place. For the right.
You know, I'm a smart girl.
Yeah, really. And then we take.
Okay, how does one make caramel?
Well,
What's the
like
key?
that. The key is having sugar and a hot pan. And this is a heavy duty pan.
Okay, all right.
And that's
Mom loves her cooking gear and all the fun pans from Williams Sonoma. That's like her favorite thing ever is buying
They
pans
should
and such.
really build me a kind of body.
Yeah, they should.
This stuff is for this. Okay. So while this does,
Do we need to mix it?
It's mixed, but the problem is that this is not too hot. Okay, it is not mixed. It is mixed. But you know what? Can we have a glass of wine?
Okay, all right. Time for a glass of Tempranillo, which in fact we will also be using for our queimada.
See.
Okay, well, cheers.
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 So that's
This
one
is
of the
not going to be
ingredients.
stirred, Mom. The sugar hasn't dissolved.
No, it's okay.
Do you want it to be separate?
It doesn't matter. It's just that the pan was cold. I should have done it earlier.
Okay, but the sugar isn't dissolved.
It will dissolve, I promise.
All right. Okay.
So the fun thing about this is that the wine is used. The wine is afterwards we will heat it up, and we will pour it over the queimada just to put away the fire.
Oh,
Because
okay.
there's no fire with all
Oh
this.
boy.
Yes.
So what is queimada?
Queimada means, well, you know, Catalonia has a cremad, which is
I
coffee.
did not know.
Yeah, you did. No?
No,
Okay.
I've never had queimada. I don't think so.
So it's coffee and brandy and some other things. And
Okay.
you flambe. And then who else?
So the idea is it's like an alcoholic, warm drink, and probably served in the fall and winter, and got fruits and things. And you were telling me that the Catalan and the Basque version, they have coffee.
Yes, that's right. Remind me see now it's going. It just needs to keep going. And and so the Basque is Euskal Gaita.
Oh.
That's what and they have coffee and they have their own spirit, which I forgot the name of.
Okay.
And of course in Catalonia for the cremad, what do we use? But a wonderful Torres brandy, right?
Yes.
That's what
So
we use.
but as far as the caramelization, what's going on here, and what do we want to be looking for?
We want to be looking for, see how now it's starting to get yellow? That means that it's starting to caramelize.
So that's turning a little brown. That means that the caramelization is starting.
Brown. Yeah. It will do it. It will do it.
Okay.
So meanwhile, do you want me to read you from my cookbook? This comes from this cookbook. The Spanish table. Like, I can't do it. Ooh, this one is good. From the Spanish table, and it says that it is the brew around which goblins and magas. Do you know what magas are?
I believe they are witches.
Yeah, in Galicia. Are conjured up while the cauldron flames in the dark and bewitching songs are chanted in low monotonous tones
So we figured that with Halloween around the corner, why not bring you guys a little Galician witch's brew?
Yeah, and that's what I did. We had a cheerful group of Galicians that told me this story around a midnight queimada.
What is a midnight queimada?
Well, a midnight queimada that you have at midnight.
Okay.
At midnight.
Okay.
And so that's a great drink to prepare in front of your guests, and the recipe is worked out currently. Okay. So here is the almost caramelized. This goes very quickly. Okay. So now.
Do you want to show the caramelization?
Sure. Well, but when it's done, no?
All right.
Meanwhile, tell us about this wine.
Yes, okay. We've got some Tempranillo for you today. And do let us know that you've tuned in, where you are tuning in from, what you are cooking or drinking this evening. Yeah, give us any questions, any thoughts, any jokes, all of the above.
Everything. Yeah.
All of the above, and you can find the recipe, of course, in the content of the post, as well as the link to the wine. So this is our Tempranillo. Yes,
Okay.
this is our Tempranillo from this vineyard, from the Don Miguel vineyard. And Tempranillo is a classic Spanish red varietal from, especially well known for being produced in Rioja and Ribera del Duero. And it is really
the better one.
I would imagine it depends on the person.
Ribera del Duero.
Mom says she prefers Ribera del Duero. And let's see. So what do you want to share about Tempranillo?
So, do you know what it means? Tempranillo?
I do.
Okay.
I do speak Spanish.
Yeah, okay, fine. So it means the
You
little,
taught it to me.
Okay, the little early one, which of course is not early here, because we grow Pinot Noir, and Pinot Noir we always harvested before the Tempranillo. Tempranillo is about the last one. But anyway, compared to other varieties that we grow in Catalonia, so you see now it is red, it is caramelized.
You want to show? Shall we show?
Sure.
Here you can see the caramelization. There we go. All right. Yeah. So Tempranillo is really, I'd say, like the king red grape of Spain.
Yeah.
As far as really the traditional top wines of Spain are often made from Tempranillo.
Okay. You want to do this?
Go for it.
Okay,
Go for it.
1, 2, 3. I told you we were gonna this.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's hardened the caramel.
That made it into
Smells boozy.
Oh yeah, this brandy. See, that's how it turns out.
So you just added
a
good portion of brandy.
Yeah,
smells really good. And the caramel just like condenses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Isn't it fun?
Okay.
And then add the brandy, blah blah. Meanwhile, we forgot to heat the wine. Now we're gonna heat.
All right. Well, and the Galician queimada. So, we've got a good pun, very good one. LD says, which one of you are going to taste the drink first? Good one.
That is a good one.
It's really queimada. It's this, think of a hard cider mulled wine in this vein, and it's a fun one. So it turns out,
See?
so that way,
it's dissolving there.
Okay.
That's why I thought it would be fun to do it here to show it.
Okay. All right.
Because it takes a couple of minutes, but that's okay. But not that much, huh?
Okay. No. And it does. So they say that Galician culture is really has like strong ties to legends of mythological creatures, like witches or magas as they're called there. This is really due to like the Celtic roots, Celtic influence in Galicia. So Galicia is northwest Spain, which is like really one of the most northernmost regions that that has a lot of Celtic influence.
Talk about the coming of
And we also get more redheads and fair-skinned Spaniards in Galicia.
Yeah.
So there you go.
More really, to me, they're very much like Irish people. But tell them about Camino de Santiago, which everybody knows about.
Yeah, it's very trendy, isn't it?
Yeah, it also has to do with witches.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, you're supposed to find witches and things. You know, when you go to the Camino, and
Oh boy.
you know, if you're good, you get the good ones, and if you're a bad person, you get the bad ones.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my.
Okay, this is done now.
Okay.
So now we add. Let me see. We add the. Oh, see, now we put this on a clay casserole to serve.
All right.
So we're gonna put it in a pretty big one to this because this is. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just put this away. Maybe not so hot. Put it here. And then we're gonna.
Okay, we've
the
got.
other one. We're gonna do the full recipe. See.
Okay, and in.
And this is the other recipe that we've done for the picture. Ooh. Oh, except now, well, now it's going on. You have to, okay, well, whatever. We'll put more Brandy. Just goes, okay, because now with it, yeah, I should have heated this. Okay, never mind. This doesn't matter. See. And now we add here the lemon peel.
Okay. Get all that good.
And then some the apples from our garden, of course.
Oh yeah. We have lots of apples. Yeah. It is harvest time in Sonoma County, and there are lots of apples.
Yep, and coffee beans. That's the only coffee part of this recipe.
Okay.
Okay, now we want that.
Okay. Yum yum. And in Galicia, queimada is made with. So we have used brandy here, our very finest Torres brandy from Spain, which is our Torres 20 in this beautiful, honestly, beautiful bottle, if I may say so. In Galicia, queimada is made from orujo, which is a grappa-like spirit made from grapes that is typical in Galicia. But here we've got brandy instead.
Yeah, so now with the
okay, what comes next?
Now we're going to.
So we've got the warm wine.
Yeah, and we put this. I don't know that it will ignite, but we'll try.
So we added the warm wine.
Yeah, maybe I'll add a little more brandy. Right? No, see, if it's.
You're the one who wrote the recipe.
Yeah, but I had to try to make sure that it was okay, so I didn't just have the recipe. And now I've added it all here. But see, that's what it has to look. I mean, in a casserole or whatever you want to serve it on. And that will wait until it's really hot. And you see how? I think that okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to tell you that I love this wine.
Yeah.
A little more.
Okay, a little more Tempranillo.
Yes, but let me tell you the story of Tempranillo.
Yeah.
Because I brought it over from Spain in 2004, right? Yeah. But it was kind of, I didn't, but we sent it from Spain directly.
Okay.
Which you're not supposed to do, but,
okay.
So anyway, so we just sent 400, bugs. And so with 400 vines, you really cannot do much. So we blended it with our Syrah, because we had a third of an acre of Syrah. So we made a Syrah Tempranillo. And hey, it was very good. And it was selling beautifully for the wine club. And I decided, okay, there was a block of Chardonnay that I didn't like. And we planted the more Tempranillo and more Syrah. And then we had the chance of making a 100% Tempranillo. And when I tasted it, I thought, wow, this is a great wine. We have to plant more. So we planted another couple of acres. And now we have enough Tempranillo for everybody, right? Yeah, but not for a while.
It's a fun one. It is a fun one. It certainly has more tannin and body than Pinot Noir, of course, but that's not saying too much. These are wines that age spectacularly, and I mean the 18 is still such a baby.
Yeah, but we have the ND, right?
This is 18.
Okay, good. Because I was thinking that I thought it was 19. Wow, it's really aged already beautifully.
It's
so
beautiful.
It needs some age, in my opinion, because then the tannins soften up, and now it's really, really good. Yeah. Okay. So shall we try?
All right. So what's the key to flambeing?
Hot brandy.
Hot brandy.
And nothing happens. I blew it. Okay.
Oh.
That was because I added the cold hot recipe before. Okay. Oh well, just imagine, okay? Imagine that, ooh, this is just full of flames. Okay, but let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, this is not too hot. So it should look like that. Can you see it? And,
all right.
Ooh, this is very hot.
Yeah, I think that looks hot.
So, yeah. Okay.
All right.
So,
so if it were to flambe, then what? And what's the key to a flambe?
Oh, yeah. Then, key to a flambe. Well, brandy, hot brandy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But because we added the brandy with wine that was already cold,
Yep.
we haven't had recipe.
Yep. Yep.
But now we're gonna serve it in here with a cauldron. Oh yeah, perfect thingy. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Like this, we're gonna use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
But the idea is that once you flambe it, which really will, I promise, then you take it to your friends in the living room when it's dark, because remember, this should be midnight, okay? It's
Okay.
really dark, and then you invoke the witches.
Oh
And
boy.
anything you ask them, it will happen.
Ah,
Yes.
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 Yes, indeed.
Okay.
Indeed.
So
In the grand Galician tradition.
No, it's not. No. Should I put more brandy? No.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
All right, shall we try some queimada?
Yes, absolutely. Bring your dish, your cup.
Okay.
Somebody should serve about 8 people.
Okay.
Okay, that for you.
Thank you.
And the apple should be
Alrighty.
nice.
Boy, it is crazy. Halloween around the
Yes.
corner, and then
Yes.
your birthday,
Yes.
November 14th.
And yours, December
Yep.
31st.
And we've got a big club event this Saturday.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's gonna be so much fun.
Yep.
Right.
And we just processed club shipment today.
Oh, boy.
So all of you club members will be getting your fall club wines very, very soon, and we're so excited.
Yeah.
It's been a big day, and we harvested fruit.
It's not
Let's
so
see.
good. We have
Oh,
some-
that
yeah.
does. I really like the coffee. Is it very, very, very hot?
Oh, that's okay. No, it's perfect. Perfect.
Ooh.
Really good, eh?
Oh, yeah, the hint of the coffee beans adds a really nice. I don't think I've tried like a mulled wine with coffee.
Huh. And
That's really good.
What do you do with the coffee beans? You eat them or what?
You probably let them stay in the glass, but you know,
Well,
you
they
can eat
come
them
from
if you
house,
want.
So, okay.
Oh, amazing. Well, this is so
It is
fun.
good. It is
Yeah,
good. Wow.
yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
have a party.
Let's have a party.
Okay.
Let's have a party. It's a Halloween party.
You could use a little more brandy and then it will flambe.
There we go. There we go. Always add more brandy and more wine.
No, just brandy. No. Okay, guys, it's not working, but you can picture it, right?
Yep.
All
Yep,
right,
we can
well-
picture it. Well, with that,
Happy Halloween.
thank you for joining us. Happy Halloween, and we will see you next month.
Yes,
Cheers.
Cheers.